Colorado Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 3.
Question 1. How should your body be positioned in a slow, tight turn?
Lean the opposite direction of the motorcycle. Lean back as far as possible. It should remain upright. Lean with the motorcycle.
Answer.
It should remain upright.
Question 2. What can cause the engine to lock?
Being low on oil. Skidding the front tire. Braking using only one brake. Not changing gears properly.
Answer.
Being low on oil.
Question 3. The front brake is more important because
it provides most of the stopping power. It provides less of the stopping power. It provides all of the stopping power. It is used most often.
Answer.
It provides most of the stopping power.
Question 4. When driving behind a car, which lane position will keep you most visible to the driver?
Any lane position. The right. The center. The left.
Answer.
The center.
Question 5. You should cover the clutch and brake whenever you want to.
Slow down. Reduce your reaction time. Alert others of your actions. Change to another lane.
Answer.
Reduce your reaction time.
Question 6. When riding in a group members should communicate by
riding in pairs. Using hand signals. Making eye contact. Changing lane positions.
Answer.
Using hand signals.
Question 7. Which of the following is not a strategy to increase your safety at night?
Increase your following distance. Use your high beam. Shift gears quickly. Reduce your speed.
Answer.
Shift gears quickly.
Question 8. After as few as alcoholic drinks, your ability to ride can be affected.
3, 2, 1, 4.
Answer.
1.
Question 9. If you are going to pass someone and you feel they may move into your lane, you should
pass as fast as possible. Flash your brake light. Not pass. Beep your horn.
Answer.
Beep your horn.
Question 10. Choosing the best lane position helps you to
communicate what you plan to do. Avoid road hazards. Stay out of blind spots. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 11. The best protection from other vehicles is
choosing the right helmet. Maintaining a space cushion. Using your high beam. Wearing protective clothing.
Answer.
Maintaining a space cushion.
Question 12. It is important to maintain a space cushion behind the vehicle in front of you.
When riding through school zones. In periods of heavy traffic. Unless you're stopped. At all times.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 13. You should maintain a space cushion around your motorcycle.
When first learning to ride. At all times. When carrying passengers. When carrying cargo.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 14. Slippery surfaces can be even more dangerous if you are
riding in the right lane position. Only using one brake. Using both brakes. Riding in the left lane position.
Answer.
Only using one brake.
Question 15. At minimum, a street-legal motorcycle should have which of the following equipment?
Front and rear brakes. Horn and 2 mirrors. All these answers are correct. Headlight, tail light, brake light and turn signals.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 16. Which of the following statements about crossing an intersection is true?
Increase your speed as you approach an intersection. Always count on eye contact as a sign that the driver will yield. Always ride with your headlight off. Select a lane position that would best increase your visibility to other drivers.
Answer.
Select a lane position that would best increase your visibility to other drivers.
Question 17. If you lock the rear brake on a surface with good traction,
you should release the rear brake and reapply it. Release both brakes and coast to a stop. Release the rear brake and use the front brake only. You can keep it locked until you come to a complete stop.
Answer.
You can keep it locked until you come to a complete stop.
Question 18. Which of the following surface provides poor traction for motorcycles?
All these answers are correct. Lane markings. Gravel roads. Wet pavement.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 19. The press step of turning means that you press
your feet on the foot pedals, the front or rear brake, the handle of the direction you are turning, in the clutch.
Answer.
The handle of the direction you are turning.
Question 20. How does carrying a passenger change your motorcycle?
They help balance the motorcycle. Slowing down will be faster. Passengers make the motorcycle go faster. The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes.
Answer.
The motorcycle takes longer to react to changes.
Question 21. If you suspect the road ahead is slippery, what should you do?
Stop your bike and walk it across the slippery section. Only use your rear brake. Slow down before reaching the slippery section. Stop and turn around.
Answer.
Slow down before reaching the slippery section.
Question 22. Motorcycle passengers should
lean the opposite direction of the motorcycle. Get on before you start engine. Sit as far forward as possible. Put feet down when stopped.
Answer.
Sit as far forward as possible.
Question 23. Because motorcycles accelerate faster than other vehicles on the road, you must
make eye contact with other drivers. Leave a larger space cushion. Be careful not to run into the vehicle in front of you. Flash your headlights when accelerating.
Answer.
Be careful not to run into the vehicle in front of you.
Question 24. You are turning onto a road with one lane of traffic moving in each direction. Taking a right turn too fast could cause you to
tip your motorcycle over. Hit the vehicle in front of you. Run off the right edge of the road. Veer into an oncoming traffic lane.
Answer.
Veer into an oncoming traffic lane.
Question 25. You should flash your brake light when you are about to stop and you are
being followed too closely. All these answers are correct. Stopping in an unusual place. Stopping more quickly than others will expect.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 26. Distances are harder to judge at night. You should
drive only in real roads. Avoiding riding at night. Increase your speed. Increase your following distance.
Answer.
Increase your following distance.
Question 27. If railroad tracks run parallel to your lane and you need to cross them, you should
cross the tracks at a 45-degree angle. Wait until the next intersection. Cross at the smallest angle possible. Cross the tracks at a 90-degree angle.
Answer.
Cross the tracks at a 45-degree angle.
Question 28. In order to have a passenger on your motorcycle, you must have
a windshield, footrests for the passenger, side saddlebags, high-quality shocks.
Answer.
Footrests for the passenger.
Question 29. You are in danger of hitting an object and need to swerve to avoid it. What is the best way to initiate the swerve?
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the opposite side you need to swerve. Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the opposite direction from which you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the direction you need to swerve.
Answer.
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve.
Question 30. If the throttle is stuck, what should you do?
Pull in the clutch. Flip the engine cut-off switch and pull in the clutch at the same time. Stop the motorcycle using the rear brake only. Jump off the motorcycle.
Answer.
Flip the engine cut-off switch and pull in the clutch at the same time.
Question 31. Which lane position should you ride in to increase your line of sight?
The right. Any lane position. The center. The left.
Answer.
The left.
Question 32. Where are a motorcycle's blind spots?
On the left only. Motorcycles do not have blind spots. On the right only. On the right and left of the motorcycle.
Answer.
On the right and left of the motorcycle.
Question 33. A benefit of riding in the center lane position is it?
Prevents others from sharing your lane. Allows you to turn easily. There is no center lane position. Keeps you hidden from other drivers.
Answer.
Prevents others from sharing your lane.
Question 34. Using your brakes properly means?
Using the front brake only for most stopping situations. Using both brakes every time you stop. Alternating between the front or rear brakes. Using the front brake only in emergencies.
Answer.
Using both brakes every time you stop.
Question 35. The road ahead looks slippery, what should you do?
Stop and turn around. Stop your motorcycle and walk it across the slippery section. Use your rear brake only. Slow down before reaching the slippery section.
Answer.
Slow down before reaching the slippery section.
Question 36. Which of the following does not lessen your chances of being involved in a collision?
Wearing protective gear. Scan your path of travel. Maintain a space cushion. Using your signal lights.
Answer.
Wearing protective gear.
Question 37. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, you should
Apply the rear brake only. Apply the front brake only. Close the throttle slowly. Open the throttle slowly.
Answer.
Close the throttle slowly.
Question 38. When traveling in heavy congested traffic, what is an adequate space cushion between yourself and the vehicle ahead?
1 second. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 4 seconds.
Answer.
4 seconds.
Question 39. Which of the following is true about starting while on an upward hill?
Start in second gear. Position yourself at a 90-degree angle against the curb. Never try to start on an upward hill. Use the foot brake to hold you until the engine takes hold.
Answer.
Use the foot brake to hold you until the engine takes hold.
Question 40. When preparing to merge into the middle lane of a 3-lane road, what should you check?
Your signal light to make sure it is working. The lane beside you in the far lane. Your throttle, to make sure it is not stuck. Your speed limit, to make sure you are not exceeding it.
Answer.
The lane beside you in the far lane.
Question 41. The weaving caused by riding over a metal grating
Is not hazardous. Is caused by poor driving. Is dangerous to motorcycle riders. Is harmful to the motorcycle.
Answer.
Is not hazardous.
Question 42. You must use the high beam lights of your motorcycle when you are a vehicle at night.
Not following or meeting. Following. Meeting. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
Not following or meeting.
Question 43. To turn your motorcycle, you should press on the hand grip in the direction of the turn and
lean the opposite direction of the turn. Keep your body straight. Pull in the clutch. Lean in the direction of the turn.
Answer.
Lean in the direction of the turn.
Question 44. While driving in the city and looking ahead for hazards, you should be checking at least ahead
2 blocks. 1/2 block. 3 blocks. 1 block.
Answer.
1/2 block.
Question 45. In order to swerve properly, you must
brake while swerving. Brake before swerving. Brake before or after swerving. Brake after swerving.
Answer.
Brake before or after swerving.
Question 46. You are approaching an intersection that has a stop line, but you can tell it is a blind intersection. Where should you stop?
With the front wheel over the stop line. At the stop line only. Where you have the most visibility. At the stop line first, then pull forward.
Answer.
At the stop line first, then pull forward.
Question 47. In order to cross railroad tracks safely, you should cross them at an angle of at least degrees.
45. 120. 20. 90.
Answer.
45.
Question 48. When is it most important to check your mirrors?
While stopped at an intersection. When you are preparing to change lanes. All these answers are correct. When you are decreasing your speed.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 49. Which of the following should be done at night?
Follow vehicles closely. Wear brighter clothing so you can be seen. Slow down so you can stop within the range of your headlights. Avoid riding on real roads.
Answer.
Slow down so you can stop within the range of your headlights.
Question 50. When should your motorcycle side mirrors be adjusted?
At the first stop after you start driving. Before you start driving. While you are driving. The mirrors are not adjustable.
Answer.
Before you start driving. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.